Hello guys, today we'll be troubleshooting the error which says Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So we'll be troubleshooting this. The main reason behind this error is the Python path is not added to the system environment variable. So first let us do that. For that we need to go to this advanced system settings, go to this path, move to environment variables. Now we have this path over here, edit. Now first thing is like where search where your Python is installed. So my Python is installed over here. So I will be copying this path and I'm pasting it over here. Then we have a colon here, and then again we need to go to the scripts path. Take the script path also. So and we can have this here. So let us check now. So just we'll close this tab and then open again. We have this Python. Yep, now you can see Python is loaded with 3.7.4, and we can see our pip version also. Pip space version. So it will show my pip version also. Hope you have got some information. If you like the video, please press the like button, and for more videos please press subscribe.